Hi, this is Ellen from the Chili Dog. Today I am working on a pair of Secret Admirer socks, and I'm going to show you how to twist 2 stitches to the right and also how to twist 2 stitches to the left. Both of these twists create a decorative effect that looks like cabling, but there's no need to use a cable needle. Let's get started. First, the right twist, or T2R. Begin by knitting the 2 stitches you want to twist together, but don't drop them off your left needle. Now insert your right needle between the 2 stitches that you just knit, and you may need to use your nail to kind of spread them apart, and knit the first stitch. Now you can drop both stitches off your left needle, and you've created a pretty little twist. Now the left twist, or T2L. Begin by knitting through the back loop of the second stitch. So bring your right needle through the back loop of that second stitch, and wrap your yarn, and you may need to use your thumbnail to stabilize that stitch as you pull the yarn through. Now knit the first stitch and drop both stitches off the left needle, and you've created a pretty left twist. I hope you enjoyed learning how to twist 2 stitches to the right and how to twist 2 stitches to the left. And if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Until we stitch again, happy knitting!